Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS 26 or later unable to download. This update cannot be installed. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are having any issue to download or install the iOS 26 or any later update, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to double check your internet connection because sometimes your network connection may cause any error, so you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and then you have to make sure that your battery is up to 50%, or you can try to plug in your charger and then retry to download and install the update, or you can try to disconnect with your VPN. So open general and you go for VPN device management, and you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. And once you are disconnected, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you can try a force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your device. So it will almost fix your issue because sometimes any bug or any glitch might happen in your software on your iPhone, so it will fix in this step. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you can try to reset all of your network settings, open settings, and go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop up. So if there are any network issues, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you still having the same issues, so you have to double check your iPhone storage, open iPhone storage section, and here you have to make sure there's up to 20 GB or 20 to 30 GB free in your iPhone storage. If you don't have, try to delete anything, any app or any media files from your iPhone storage. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you can now easily install or download a latest iOS version to your phone. Or if you're still having the same issues, so you have to try to use your her computer, PC or laptop to reboot the iOS 26 version in your iPhone or iPads. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.